You now have a chance to show your artistic side. A group of local artists wants help creating 5 large art pieces across Colorado Springs. Here's our Anya Winslow with the story that we call Positively Colorado.
Who's operating these power tools? It's 4th and 5th graders from Ute Pass Elementary, and they're all anxious to get their turn.
Who's next?
I am.
Okay.
They're building a marimba. It's basically a large-scale xylophone, but by building art structures, these kids are also building self-worth.
It makes me feel helpful, and it makes me feel kind of confident about myself.
Get those fingers out of the way.
Their project is one of 5 different community build workshops simultaneously occurring across the Springs. But it's the community who's putting its fingerprint on the art. The projects are taking many forms, from building musical instruments on school campuses to mosaics all over the community. But one thing's for sure, it's building a sense of community and teamwork.
It's really a good way to show your pride in your community.
A local grad student thinks this experience may help further his own research project. He's trying to build community through housing on an Indian reservation.
We could do a similar kind of community art project, creating some mural or something as a vision for the Lakota future. Maybe it could be done in a similar kind of way.
And if you've never dabbled in an artful craft and think you may mess one of these projects up, listen up.
Impossible. Impossible. You can't screw it up. Everybody's contributions are welcome.
Anya Winslow, News First 5.
And that group, Concrete Couch, invites everyone to get involved. Most projects run through Tuesday. You'll just want to head to newsfirst5.com for additional details.